What's up guys, welcome to the vlog, welcome back to another awesome video. I'm currently here at Redfern and there's a steam train on approach to platform 1. Unfortunately, I just missed filming 3801 past Redfern platform 1 headed to Sydney Terminal by about a minute and a half. I was just changing platforms, so because coming from Wynyard, I was on the Emu Plains train and that arrived onto platform 8, and as soon as I got halfway up the stairs I heard 3801 come past and I saw the steam and I was like, so close. But the train that's going to be passing platform 1 in a little bit is the Kiama picnic train. Okay, I can hear chuffing coming out of the tunnel, so we should be able to see it in about a minute or two. It is due to pass at 7:35. The time is 7:33. Okay, here comes the Kiama picnic train to Sydney Terminal. Alright. That's about it guys. Now I'm gonna see if I can get it fit in a travel series, so I'll probably go to Rhodes. So I'll see you guys over on platform 6 for the Rhodes train.